Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the LEVOIT Top Fill Humidifier, designed for bedrooms, large rooms, and even nurseries, with a generous 2.5-liter tank that provides up to 25 hours of soothing mist on low settings. This humidifier boasts an easy top fill design, eliminating the hassle of turning the tank over and risking spills, while its large opening and detachable components make cleaning a breeze, ensuring a healthier environment for you and your family. With a whisper-quiet operation at just 26 decibels and the option to switch off all lights, it creates a peaceful atmosphere perfect for a good night's sleep. The 360-degree nozzle and adjustable mist output give you full control over your air quality, while the auto shut-off feature and BPA-free materials ensure safety and peace of mind. Plus, the humidifier comes with a pre-installed water filter sponge to capture fine impurities, enhancing your humidification experience. Remember, it's not recommended to add essential oils to this device, and if the water level gets low, a red light will alert you, though there might be a slight delay in the auto shut-off. For any assistance, you can rely on the dedicated customer service team based in California, always ready to help you out. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.